Welcome to part 3 of Feeling Behind in Life. Maya's story wraps up here. Hi everyone, I'm Shay. In parts 1 and 2, we saw Maya's gut punch moment and the wake-up call that started turning things around for her. If you haven't caught those videos yet, I'll link them here so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive into the final breakthrough that helped Maya finally move past feeling behind, and it might do the same for you. Chapter 3. Track your real wins, not just the ones you can post. There are days when Maya can barely get out of bed. Most of her friends have moved on. Some of them weren't even very nice, always competing, always comparing, often tearing her down just to feel better about themselves. No wonder Maya's struggling now. Those friendships weren't just draining, they planted the seeds of doubt that she's still trying to untangle. If that hits home, I'd really recommend my video, How to Be Okay with Being Disliked. It was one of my first uploads and still holds true. It's in moments like this, when everything feels hard, that tracking your real wins matter most. Not the glamorous stuff, the gritty stuff, the kind that actually costs something. Here's how Maya chose to do hers. She spends 5 minutes in the morning and 5 at night writing down her wins. And this is what her list looks like. May 10th AM. Got out of bed when I wanted to hide under the covers. Washed my hair with the new shampoo. May 10th PM. Told my boss I needed help with something I was struggling with. Said hi to Blake, the cute guy from HR, and didn't stutter. Nothing dramatic. No big reveal, but it made her feel more grounded, and that's made a small positive change in her. Now it's your turn. What could you write down today? And if you're not sure yet, that's okay too. Maya doesn't have it all figured out. I don't either, but she's starting, and so can you. Before you go scrolling today, try this. Write down just one win from your day, even a tiny one. That's how change begins. Not with huge leaps, but with honest, often small steps. Or leave your win in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Now, if you've got something out of this video, I'd love for you to subscribe. It's free and it helps my video and my channel reach more people who might need to hear this. And if you've ever been told you're too much, too emotional, too intense, too sensitive, and yet somehow still not enough, that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about next. If you want to keep going, I'll link another video here that might really help, especially if you've ever felt like you're not enough or like other people's opinions are holding you back. Remember, you're not stuck, you're starting, and that's brave. That's enough. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.